I only have $20 in my account.
You know that nanny app?
Yeah.
Apparently some billionaire is looking for a nanny.
Let me see.
He's kind of cute.
It says he wants them to be CPR certified, have 5 years of experience with working with kids, and a college degree. All things I don't have.
But he doesn't know that.
Stacy, no, we are not faking documents.
You need money, honey.
Don't give me that look.
Wow, this is amazing. Your resume is just outstanding.
Thank you.
When can you start?
Oh, I'm free to start whenever you like.
All right, okay, here you go. I'm gonna give you your first paycheck right now. I got 2 other kids right there. Say hi, girls. This is your new nanny.
Hi. Can she cook?
Oh, well, actually...
Yeah, her resume says she can cook anything.
Since you're a chef, can you make us sushi?
Yeah, whatever you girls want.
Yay!
Yes! Hi, I just want to order some sushi, but I need it delivered out back. Don't you dare snitch on me.
This is so good.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Daddy used to cook for us, but now he's too busy with his job. Yeah.
You know, what is your dad's job anyway?
We're not allowed to say.
Who made this?
Oh, that would be me. Hi, I'm the new nanny. And who are you?
I'm Darren's girlfriend, and I'm allergic to sushi. Throw this away.
Just go in the other room. It's not bothering you.
Ow! Hey!
It's fine, honey. Darren gave me permission to discipline the girls.
Are you okay? I have to tell your dad about that.
Don't bother.
He won't believe you. He acts different around him.
Excuse me, sir.
Lucy, hey. This is for you for being so great today. Now, if you'll excuse me...
Is that a gun?
In life, you must take what's rightfully yours. You see, since you're royal blood and I'm not, you're to take the throne at 18, and we can't have that happening, now can we? Poor helpless princess should have just eaten the food. After all, that's how I got rid of your father. What, you didn't think he just mysteriously passed away, did you? Oh! You little— Hey, get away from her. Who set you free? That would be me. The prince told me of your evil plan. Looks like he was right. Here, princess. That's illegal. So is trying to kill the princess. You are no longer queen.
Would you like to take her words?
No!
You had infinite words, yet you were still taking words from me? Take her away.
Congrats on becoming queen.
Thank you for everything, and I know this might sound kind of silly, but I feel like you and I are meant to be together.
Actually, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Is that a gun?
Oh, you weren't supposed to see that.
Why do you have that? What is your job?
Listen, Lucy, if you're gonna work for me, there's some questions that are off limits, and that's one of them.
Excuse me? No, I want to know that I'm safe here.
You are very safe with me, Lucy. I promise.
Actually, sir, I came up here to talk to you about your girlfriend.
What about me? Hey, babe. Hey, baby. Yeah, what about her?
I was just gonna say that she's gorgeous.
Darren already knows that. Don't you, babe?
He didn't listen, did he?
No, not really.
I told you.
Listen, girls, don't worry. I'm gonna find a way to expose her.
No, baby, he's just a job. You're the one that I love. We'll talk later, okay? Bye. Lucy, you didn't hear anything.
Oh, but I did.
No, you didn't. That's a lot of money, huh? It can all be yours. If you keep your mouth shut. You know what to say.
I wanna be a
Say doctor.
sugar baby.
What? No! Where did you learn? Why would you say that?
Sissy told me to say it.
Elizabeth, it was just a joke.
But she said that I will make a lot of money. Is that true, Mommy?
I mean, yes, but no. No, you will not be doing that. Hey, look, it's Sugar Baby Girl.
I was 6, okay? Cut me some slack.
Well, I heard Ashley's rich dad is single now. You guys want to hook up? They probably will.
Stay away from my dad, creep.
I don't care about your dad, Ashley. People are just spreading rumors about me. Besides, your dad's kind of, a jerk. No offense.
At least my dad didn't leave me.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
Do you know why you're here?
Because I punched Ashley in the face.
Yes, but I gotta say, she deserved it.
Wait, Principal Richards, are you being for real?
Please, call me Steven. Call me Steven.
Okay. So, wait, you're not gonna tell my mom?
Nah, I won't tell her a thing. That is, as long as you don't tell her about this. Consider it my little gift to you.
Why are you giving me this?
I saw your future, sweetheart.
Sir.
Steven.
Steven, I was tricked into making that my future.
Wait, so you don't want to be a sugar baby?
No, thank you.
Well, here's my personal number in case you change your mind.
Guys, bad news. I think my future's coming true. Wait, where's Mom?
She's at the store.
What is all that?
I just found all these unpaid bills. Mom's been going bankrupt paying for my college, and we're gonna lose the house.
Wait, what?
I have to drop out.
But your dream is to become a doctor.
Guess that dream's over.
No, Lizzie, don't, okay? I can get the money.
How?
By making my future come true.
Don't tell Darren about my man, and the money's yours.
You have a deal.
Perfect. And then the fairy lived happily ever after. The end.
Thank you for reading the book. I always wanted my mommy to read it.
May I ask what happened to your real mommy?
I don't know my real mommy or daddy.
We were all in foster care before this, but Darren adopted us.
But I love you, Lucy, 'cause you're like a real mommy to me.
Yeah, I love you girls too.
Then tell him I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. And you better give me my money by tonight.
Does this guy work for the mafia or something?
Hey, Lucy.
Oh, I got it.
You got really nice.
Hey, babe, guess what? Your nanny is a fake. The college she graduated from doesn't exist. I can explain.
I don't like liars, Lucy.
She lied about everything on her resume.
Pack your stuff right now and get out.
What is that?
This is the phone number to my principal, Principal Richards.
Your principal's trying to be your sugar daddy?
Well, when you put it like that, it sounds bad, but hypothetically, yes.
Hand that over.
No, give that to me, okay? This is our only ticket to making sure that you get to become the doctor of your dreams and that we don't lose this house.
This is crazy.
Look, you're the one that tricked me into getting this future in the first place. I am just trying to put it to some use.
I don't like this.
Shut up.
Hello, this is Steven.
Hi, Steven. It's me.
Oh, hey, sweetie. Did you change your mind?
Yeah, I did.
Great, because I wanted to see if you would go somewhere with me.
Wait, how much are all the bills?
Like around $5,000.
Okay, I will do it if you pay me $5,000.
Yeah, that works for me. I'll pick you up at 7.
Okay, bye. Oh my god.
Girls?
I told you to go.
She needs to be fed.
I can take care of that.
Sir, please don't fire me. I know I shouldn't have lied about my resume, but I do care about your girls, and if you fire me, they're gonna be heartbroken.
The kids will be fine, Lucy.
Well, then you should know that your girlfriend is cheating on you.
What are you talking about?
She's lying.
I heard her on the phone in the closet. She paid me not to say anything.
I did not.
You lied to me once, you're probably lying to me again.
But sir...
You're fired, hun. Get over it. Give me the baby.
No.
Lucy.
Shh, it's okay.
Lucy, where are you going?
I'm so sorry.
I'll be taking that money back. It'll be okay.
No, it's not gonna be okay. I failed them.
Oh, his girlfriend is so evil.
No, baby, he's just a job. You're the one that I love.
I think she's out to get his money.
Huh?
The kids are in danger. I have to go help them.
Where's Daddy?
Sorry, honey, but Daddy's getting interrogated right now.
I have to get in there.
Hey, where do you think you're going? Hey, boss, look who I found.
Well, well.
It's gonna be okay.
Yes, girls, stop struggling. Everything will be fine. For me.
Actually, no, it's not. Because I may not be a chef or have graduated from college, but there's one thing that I didn't put on my resume that's, about to come in real handy right now.
And what's that? How did you? I'm a black belt in Taekwondo, bitch.
Lucy, girls. It's okay.
Lucy, is everyone alright?
Yeah, Lucy saved us.
You're hurt.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Daddy, does this mean that Lucy can stay?
Yeah, I just hope she can forgive me for being so.
Now they have to get married.
Yeah, or at least give her a raise, Dad.
Maybe I'll do both.
No, come on, please. This can't be happening.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry that took so long. Hey, what's the matter?
Why did you lock that door?
I didn't lock the door. It probably just got stuck. Here, I got you this.
What is that?
It's your money, $5K exact.
No, I don't want the money anymore. Please, I just want to go home.
Relax, everything's okay.
Why is there no signal down here?
This house has horrible reception, but I could fix it. Let me see your phone.
Wait, no.
Well, how about I just fix some of these wires down here, and hey, that should do it. Shit. You, weren't supposed to see that.
Please don't hurt me.
Don't worry, you're safe here with me, sweetheart. This is your new home now.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes, hi. I need help. Hello?
Signal lost.
No.
You really shouldn't have done that.
Let me go. Why are you doing this?
The day you came to my school, I fell in love with you. You remind me of my wife.
What?
Yes, I haven't been the same since she passed. And unfortunately, the last girl I brought here escaped, so I think the police are after me. But this basement's pretty hidden, so I think we'll be safe.
Well, I'm actually kind of thirsty, so do you think you could get me some water?
Of course, anything for you. I'll be right back.
Maria.
Elizabeth? How did you—
Shh, Mom put a tracker in your phone case. Oh, I knew this guy was bad news. Don't worry, the cops are on their way.
What do you think you're doing? Come here.
Eat peppers for you, creep!
Oh, my eyes! Your principal is now in custody, okay?
Don't you ever do anything like that again!
I know, I'm sorry. I was just trying to help you save the house.
I know, sweetheart. But we are suing that principal. I really hope we win the lawsuit.
I think it's safe to say we're gonna win.